the max class. In the previous classes we have learnt about division. Yes, what is the symbol for division? This one. Today we are going to do division in a different manner. Yes, now what is the question here? Divide 24 by 4. First, before everything, what is the date today? 3/3/21. 3/3/21, 3rd March. See, month is also 3rd and date is also 3rd. We are going to do division in a different manner today. I already told you there are 4 types of to write a division, is it not? We are going to do in this manner. Divide 24 by 4. So 24 you have to divide by 4. This is how you have to write. What is this? As I have told you earlier, this is dividend. What is this? This is divisor. After division you will get quotient. Okay, Nana? Today I will show you remainder also. What is remainder also? First remember, this is dividend, this is 4. When the question, this is divisor, not 4. This is dividend, this is divisor. After solving this, you will get quotient and also remainder. First quotient will be written here. You should write the quotient here. Okay. Now, when the question is given, divide 24 by 4, first you have to write it in this form. And the division should be started with tens place, not from ones place. Addition and subtraction will be started from ones place. Yes, you all remember we will start from here, is it not? From the first digit, that is ones place. But always remember that in division we have to start it with the tens place. For this you have to be perfect in the tables up to 10. As I have told you in the earlier classes also, please practice your multiplication tables. They are very important in doing division. Okay, now let us start the division. This is an example problem for you. Okay, now you are going to start with tens place. See, start the table. 4 ones are 4. What is the number in tens place? 2. So the first one only is 4. So we have to take to count both tens and ones place. 2 numbers we have to take into count, because in the multiplication table 4 is more, greater than 2. So start writing the table now. 4 2s are 8 up to 24. Till you get 24 you have to write the table. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. 4 6s are 24. Yes, you got 24. Now where you 4 6s are? So 4 6s are. You will write here and write 24 below this. Now what you get is, this is called remainder. The one which is remaining after division is called, division is complete, so whatever is remaining is called remainder. This is called quotient. This is called dividend. This is called divisor. Okay, Nana? This is, whenever the question is given like this, you have to write first in this form and then see in which in which multiplication table of 4 you are going to get this number. So you have to always start it from the tens place. If this number is lesser than this number, you have to use 2 numbers. So do the multiplication for both the numbers. So when you have written the table, you will know where you will get 24. Write this 6 here. 4 6 are 24. You are going to write here. Whatever you get will be the remainder. Okay, Nana. In page number 111, we are going to solve these problems today. See, I have told you we are already going to do division only up to 5 numbers. So only 8 problems we have in this exercise 6. Today I am going to teach you 5 problems, where the first 3 problems I am going to teach you on the board and the remaining 2 I will teach you in the notebook. All the first 5 problems, that is A, B, C, D and F problem, should be done in your notebook only. But to make you understand easily, I am going to solve the first 3 on the board. You have to do it in your notebook, and the remaining 2 I will show you how to do in the notebook also. The 5 problems should be done in your notebook only. So all of you be ready. Open page number 111, exercise 6 and write the date and be ready. We will start doing the exercise.